Great ideas need a push, and Egypt's government is stepping up. They're slashing taxes and customs duties on EVs, making them more affordable. Direct subsidies and easier financing are on the table. Meanwhile, old polluting vehicles face stricter emission standards and are being phased out. Fuel subsidies are shrinking, making EVs even more attractive. The government is also rolling out a national charging network, partnering with private companies. Thousands of charging points are planned, with unified standards. This state-led push is giving both consumers and car companies confidence in Egypt's electric future. So, what can you actually buy in Egypt's EV market? For years, choices were almost non-existent, unless you were rich and adventurous. Now, global brands are arriving, offering real options. Compact SUVs and crossovers are leading the charge, practical for families and city driving. Chinese and Korean brands like MG, Hyundai, and BYD are investing heavily. These cars are affordable, packed with tech, and available in showrooms. The arrival of these models is creating a buzz. People are seeing EVs on the streets. Questions about range and charging are becoming everyday conversations. Electric cars are moving from theory to reality in Egypt. Let's take a closer look at the pioneers leading this charge. First up, the MG ZS EV, a British badge built in China, sold in Egypt. It's a compact SUV that's become one of the most visible EVs on Egyptian roads. The appeal? Value for money, decent space, good equipment, and over 250 km range. Plug it in overnight and you're set for a week's commute. Inside, it's modern. Touchscreen, digital dash, solid build quality, comfortable, quiet, and easy to drive. Perfect for Cairo's traffic jams.